Hi, my name is Brett, and I'm here to show you a bunch of our new STEAM kits that we're releasing this Maker March. This one is our Magformers Construction Kit, and it's good for ages 3 and up. And let's take a look inside. This one has a number of pieces of paper in it that are really important. This one here is just the inventory sheet. It's got all the pieces that are included in the kit. This is a safety sheet. It has a bunch of instructions for how to play safely with these toys. And this one here is a little model booklet that gives you a bunch of different options and a bunch of different inspirations for you to create your own Magformers creations. I think it's just an awesome kit, really great to boost creativity. If you take a look here, you can see my favorite thing to do is just to make a variety of different shapes like this, and then see if I can stack them together and see what happens with them. So it's real easy to make all sorts of different basic things that you see in real life. For example, this is the fastest house I've ever built. But yeah, come and check these guys out. They're really cool. They're really great for boosting creativity, and honestly, they're just a lot of fun to play with. This one is our yoga spinner kit. It's for ages 5 and up, and it is great for our kids who are interested in yoga, but also just great for kids who need to be a little bit more active, need to get a little bit of stretching done. Yoga has been scientifically proven to be incredibly healthy for us. So it's a really cool kit, especially one that will get kids moving a little bit, even if it's just a little bit. Let's take a look inside though. So first off, we have our little inventory sheet here. This guy has all the pieces that are contained within the kit, so you won't lose anything. Here, we have the little instruction booklet. This unfolds, and it has instructions in French, English, and Spanish. It's pretty simple. The next item is this nice hardcover book, Yoga for Kids. This just goes through a bunch of the different poses and talks about how kids can do them in a way that is safe and different breathing exercises to do with them. Just a really good book for any kid who's trying to start a yoga practice. This here is the titular yoga spinner. So inside we have a number of cards, and if we spin and come up with one of the colors, I've got blue here, so that would mean I would go for a blue card, and I've just pulled the plow pose. So that will be a fun pose for me to try out later. I've never done that one. It looks like it'll hurt my shoulders, but it'll be fun. And that's really all there is to this kit. Come check it out. The one I'd like to show you here is for ages 6 and up. It's a Robotis kit. Here you can see all the pieces that come with the kit. This is a really great kit because you get a chance for young ones to get to play with robots and experiment with making their own robots. There's also a nice instruction book. This comes with a number of different instructions on how to make different kinds of pre-built robots, one of which I've started here, and which we can pretty easily finish. With just a little bit of work. So obviously you don't necessarily have to follow any of the instructions in the book. However, they are great starting points. And that should be a good way to get you started on making your own style of robot. And here you can see we have a wonderful and beautiful tropical bird. Thanks. Have a good one.